Did you know that your Wi-Fi could be smarter, faster, and cover a whole lot more ground? Today, I'm diving into 5 things you probably didn't know about the TP-Link Deco XE75 tri-band Wi-Fi 6E mesh system. Welcome back to the Inspect Aspect, where we take a deep dive into the tech products that shape our daily lives. Today, we're exploring the TP-Link Deco XE75, a mesh system that promises seamless connection and an expansive reach. First up, let's talk coverage. With the ability to blanket up to 7,200 square feet, this mesh system ensures you won't experience dead zones. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working from home, the Deco XE75 keeps you connected. Next, you'll want to know about the brand new 6 GHz band. This frequency reduces interference from legacy devices, ensuring a seamless experience. It's especially beneficial when connecting newer devices, making your Wi-Fi faster and more efficient. Now let's discuss speed. The Deco XE75 combines its 3 bands to deliver speeds up to 5,400 Mbps. That means you can connect up to 200 devices simultaneously without sacrificing performance. It's a game changer for busy households. What's more, the AI-driven mesh technology adapts to your environment and user behavior for optimal performance, ensuring that you have smooth connectivity no matter where you are in your home. Managing your network has never been easier. The Deco app helps you set it up in minutes and gives you control wherever you are. Plus, it's compatible with Alexa, adding an extra layer of convenience. In conclusion, the TP-Link Deco XE75 tri-band Wi-Fi 6E mesh system is an excellent investment for those looking to upgrade their home Wi-Fi. While it offers tremendous benefits like coverage, speed, and ease of use, keep in mind that the initial setup might be complicated for non-tech-savvy users. Overall, if you need a robust, reliable Wi-Fi solution, this product comes highly recommended.